I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a fence.
Good morning, beautiful people. Let me see if you guys can stay on my bed. I am getting ready to go to work. I'm so sleepy. My hair is like, I want to say 50-60% done. I did the thing that people do where they don't braid a section in the middle and they just kind of like fold hair over it. I don't know if I showed you guys last night. When I finally get caught up on editing, I'm going to start saying like Vlogmas day 1, Vlogmas day 2, but I'm not caught up on editing, and so I don't know what day. I don't know what day we're on. I'm kind of delirious because I'm running on like 2 hours of sleep. I'm actually slightly in a rush today because my therapist texted me this morning and was like, come in at 10:30, and our last 2 appointments have been canceled because people have tested positive for COVID. So today the goal is edit Vlogmas day 1, upload it tonight, edit Vlogmas day 2, which was yesterday, edit it for tomorrow. I think I'm 2 days ahead. Finish my hair, do the other half of those 2 reels from yesterday, and then I have to post on Instagram today, and then tomorrow I have to clean my house, have to, and go to the store. I also have to be at work. And honestly, in all actuality, since I have so much to do today, this might not be a thing until hair's in a bun. Something, very much something about having my hair pulled back from my face means my skin is going to clear up. I'm also going to get a chemical peel. So there's that too. Then I'm going to get a chemical peel in January. Alright, bye. Yeah, so I am just got out of therapy. Great session, very enlightening. It's giving what it needed to give. I am about to head into the office to do a couple things here, and then I should be able to head home, finish my hair, do all the other stuff on my list, and I'll check in with you guys when I leave here because I should only be here for like an hour and a half. We're in holiday season, so we're doing like half days and stuff. So see you guys in a little bit.
Man, I heard you done got you a dime piece, man. One of the Beyonce making good types, man. Is that true, man? I just want to know. I mean, shit, to be honest with you, man, she's a
bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline, you did fine.
Yes, ma'am. It's so good. It's so good. It's not even like, I think I like it better than regular. I think it's so much like, it's so good. And it always tastes the same. Like no matter how you cook it, it's always gonna taste the same. I feel like when you cook regular meat, you know, it'd be here and there. Obviously, I'm not that healthy. I'm getting 3 things of ice cream.
I put it away fast. Look, that cake look good. That's why I'm big now. Look at you. Where you from?
Tampa.
I hear it.
You hear it? Oh.
Thank you for serving session.
Thank you.
Wonderful day. That's my counting money. Ain't nothing wrong with my finger.
Oh no, I wouldn't even.
You know the money won't stick.
No. Okay. Because you count a lot of it, huh? Have a good one. So I've been editing since I got home. I've been editing for the past hour. I thought out some shrimp when I first got home because I want shrimp and grits. I really want tacos. I know that's real off. Those are real different. But shrimp and grits is like something I can eat always, no matter what. Like I'll eat that. And I didn't want to wait, thaw out the meat. And also I don't feel like making the guacamole and all that. I know this is something that I'm gonna eat all this tonight. I have a business call at 5. Tentatively. I forgot to respond back to them and tell them that I was good to go for the meeting. So basically, I think I have the meeting at 5, but I don't know. But I needed to put these shrimp in the air fryer. Penelope smells the shrimp. Real quick and start the grits because I'm starving. I did not eat breakfast today. And that's not okay. It's not okay. So proud of myself. I've already posted on Instagram. Let me show you guys my reel. This is the reel from today. Straight hair mommy. I have plenty of straight hair content that's still coming. So by the time you guys see the braids, it'll be dang on almost Christmas time. By the time y'all see the braids, that's why y'all need to be locked in on Vlogmas so you guys can get it real time.
Man, I heard you done got you a dime piece, man. One of the Beyonce making good types, man. Is that true, man? I just want to know. I mean, shit, to be honest with you, man, she's a
Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline, you did fine, mighty fine. Shorty really know the pine, like a bull. Holy shit, I'm really lit. It's looking like it's about time. Fuck it up, Caroline, listen up. Don't wanna hear about your horoscope or what the future holds. Shut up and let's get going. Like a Tarantino movie. You wanna talk it out? Can we fuck it out? Cause we gon' be up all night for the decaf. You see I'm a talk thug, yes I'm a G-rap. If you want safe sex, baby you can leave that. You with the sticky icky, baby give me kitty. Killer, West Side nigga. Boy, you like 98 degrees and I'm 300, nigga, keep your feet running. I keep when I eat these beats, better boy, get stuck. Don't run up in my lane, I don't want you in my lane, you a lane, get stuck. Cause gray scenes might be great, but I love your bloopers. And perfects for the urgent, baby, I want forever. Caroline, don't you see that? I want you to be mine. Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline, you did fine, mighty fine. Started really blow the pine, like a pro. Holy shit, I'm really lit. It's looking like it's about time. Fuck it up, Caroline, listen up. Don't wanna hear.
Good morning. Wow, I need to put some lashes on my eye because I look like a naked mover. I have on this nighty dress type thing. Really it's a sundress that could be worn out. But all the girls were saying this is a Skims dupe, and I think it's giving very much Skims. I love a little luxury piece. I'm trying to decide if I should film a loungewear video. Like, would you guys like to see a loungewear haul? I have a lot of loungewear. We finally finished the braids last night. I only had to redo 2 of them. A couple more need to be redone, but I'm not doing it because you can't really see them, the ones that really need to be redone. But like some of them, the parts were just too big in the front, so I was like, let me redo. We're gonna run Christmas shopping errands today. I'm going to Belk's. I'm going to TJ Maxx. I'm going to Target. I'm knocking them out. Checking off the list. I already have one. I already have, me and my girls are doing the move and talk. Me and my girls are doing a gift exchange this weekend. So I already have one of my friend's gifts. I feel like she's gonna watch this, so I'm not gonna say who it is. We did Secret Santa.